Hey my people, it's Operation Invest in Your Town. Okay, so my people in the diaspora, I bring to you this estate. I know my people in the diaspora, they like to buy property with payment plan, right? So here you can be able to buy not just land, you can buy a duplex, 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex, 4-bedroom fully detached duplex, 5-bedroom fully detached duplex for chicken money, 30% down payment. So I'm going to drive in front of the estate now, and I will turn back then and I will drive in. Okay, so stay tuned. Welcome to Nondon Estate Phase 3. If this is your first time of hearing this Nondon Estate, these developers have done like previous estates which is sold out. They have done duplex and they have done bungalow and it's all sold out. So this is their third project here in Enugu in just 2 years. Okay,
Here. This is the first building. You know, the last time I came here, this one is not yet completed, but you can see how far they have gone, and you can see the type of quality materials and roofing, and I said quality materials and windows. These are soundproof windows. Let me go close so you see. I know for sure these windows are very expensive. You can see, very, very expensive. Look at the windows, soundproof. So you can see this one has been sold, so don't bother asking about how much is this one, but we still have other ones. You can see your space. This is your space. This is also your space. We have full plot and we have the one that is half plot. So the price of full plot is different, while the price of half plot is also different. So this is the central water for the whole estate. So let me walk down to show you more about it. You can see the drainage here, flowers, everything. You can see it has two drainage, this side and this side, so nothing like you can see. So this estate is fast developing. I could remember in my last video they were doing the foundation of this one. Yeah, they were doing the foundation, but you can see how far it has gone already, and work is going on here steady. This is also another design. You know, we have about 2 design of 5-bedroom duplex. I will show you later in this video, but I'm trying to, you know, give you an update video because the last time I came here, this has not gone to this point, and I must tell you, I'm very happy to see this. I'm very, very happy to see this, and also it also shows that what they said they are going to do, they are doing it. You know, I told you Nondon Estate developers are one of the top notch here in Enugu, and what they said they will do. Definitely. So this is also a proof to show you that it is possible. You know, with 30% to 50% initial deposits, you can be a landlord here in New Haven Extension, Enugu. So You can see work is going on here, and we just have few duplex available. You can see the one that here is the semi-detached 4-bedroom duplex. That's it. That's the design there. So you see how work is going. Very fast, very fast, very fast. So if you want to start your investment in Nondon Estate Phase 3, you can give me a call with the number somewhere on the screen. And don't forget to share this video. Share this video to any of your friends and family that would like to have a house in Enugu, duplex, fully detached duplex, semi-detached duplex here in Enugu. Share it, click the share button and share it to all of them so that they can watch with as little as 30% to 50% initial deposit. You can spread the balance for 12 months. 12 months. As you can see here, you see it's right sold. I told you that few duplex is remaining, so you don't have to sleep on this. So if you're in the diaspora and you want to, pay small with some initial deposit and own a property in Enugu, I'm into Operation Invest Your Town. We know that we Igbos, we like money too much, but invest in your town, right? So if you're in Enugu, so if you're from Enugu and you're watching this video, try and invest in Enugu. Okay, so you always know I bring to you best deals. So you can go and check my previous video on this estate and check the one right now, and you can see the massive progress and few duplex remaining. So click the share button and share. Keep sharing this video until the person that will buy this house will come, and you'll be happy that it's from you. Okay, thank you and have a lovely day. Bye bye.